Is it recording? Oh, hey guys, Joe Morgan here today. I came out here because yesterday I made a catfish trap and all. And I put it out. And I came back and the freaking top was busted off. So like, something was in there, but it broke out. But either way, I just started recording because like I figured this would be a good little scenery area. I'm here with my dog. Say hi, Brinks. Yeah, but look. It's a cool little looking area. It's swampy. Sometimes you'll find snakes, but it's pretty good. Huh. If I put this in my pocket, can y'all still see? Can y'all? Oh, hey, y'all can. Cool. Let's go on a walk. Oh, come on, Brinks. We're going on an adventure. And I'm taking this out of my pocket so I know I don't drop it. But hey, let's take a walk around here. Because I feel this is something. It's a cool area to show. It's cool. Ow, tree. Brinks, you enjoying the water? Yeah. But I'm for real. It's a pretty peaceful spot. Kind of hard to get to, but it's alright. Smells kind of funky. But I like it. I'm pretty sure Brinks likes it too. Don't go too far out, Brinks. But yeah, there's trees. If you walk, there's turtles and catfish and all here. But those are further out. I tried to catch some little catfish, but something busted off the thing. Brinks, come on. You're getting too far out. Yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna end this little vlog here. Well, I hope y'all had fun. I hope y'all. It's pretty peaceful. Here, let's come over here. Oh god. Parkour. Parkour. Ooh, god, that's kind of wet. Parkour. There we go. There. Nice and peaceful. It's good little tree. Sit on it. I'm gonna sit on this tree. Alright, I'm on this tree. Alright, well, bye guys. I'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Say bye, Brinks. He says bye.